Hey everyone, today I'll be going over Leetcode 344, reverse a string. This is a very easy problem, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to do it. In fact, I'll go over two ways to do it because it's going to be pretty simple. Write a function that reverses a string. They say reverse a string, but really it's a character array. So we just reverse it, right? They give us hello, and then this is hello backwards. So you could use Java standard library to reverse it, but they really want you to write it yourself. So I'll go over two common ways to do this. So the first way is pretty intuitive, and basically you have a left pointer, which starts off at the beginning of the string, and a right pointer, which starts off at the end of the string. And that's just going to be s length minus 1. So basically you go until these pointers meet, right? And what you want to do is you want to swap with whatever's at the left with the right. So because the first one has to go to the end one has to go to the front. So basically what we can do is we could do exactly that. We want to get a temp, and we want to get whatever's at the left first. And we do this because we're going to make the swap, and we have to temporarily store this. So s.right will be equal to s.left. So basically we made that swap, and then now what we have to do, actually s.left will be equal to s.right. And then because we stored it in temp, we can go s.right is now equal to temp. So it kind of like swap them. And we do this in place. If you look, it's void. We just have to modify this directly, so we don't have to return anything. And that's what we're doing. Then lastly, what we want to do is move left forward and right backward. So let's run this. And looks like that's good. Let's submit it. Okay, this is the first way to do it, 95%. So let's do it the second way, which is no two pointers, just a single loop, right? Let's try to make it shorter. So what you can actually do is you can go up to half of the array. So I is less than s.length divided by 2, so going up to half. And what you can do is you can do this, you just simply, we have to get the temp again, and you could just simply get what's at the beginning. So, and actually, just for readability, let's get this s.length and put it in n. So we could just simply go like n, and then we get a temp, so we get what's at the beginning, and we also have to get what's at the back, right? So whatever's at the back is going to be basically it's going to be whatever's at the end, or n from the end, right? Or I from the end, sorry. So s.I is equal to s.n minus I minus 1. Because n minus 1 is the end, and then we want to go I from the end, right? So then what we can do here is we can go n minus I minus 1 is equal to temp, because we temporarily stored that. So let's run this. And looks like it's good. Let's submit it. And yeah, very similar, better space because we're not using as many variables. Same exact runtime though. So yeah, hope this was helpful. I didn't mean it to be very complicated. Talking about time and space on this solution. Time is O of n because we're just going through the string, reversing it. Space is O of 1 because we're not using any extra space, just a variable here. So yeah, hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.